Hello guys, welcome. So I'm Ganeshan Nenar. Today I'm here as part of GenAI team at Pi 3. I'm going to present our use case on insurance policy agent. It is GenAI use case that we have. So I'm going to quickly walk you through it. So here we have the system. It is initiated and well organized right now. We have 3 documents already processed and ready to use. So I'm going to drop in before we move ahead. I will show those documents. Okay, so here's the PDF number 7 that is named. It is about the TSGLI policy. It is around 100 pages in detail about all the in and outs about that policy. Then we have FSGLI is family SGLI policy, again for veterans, again a 31 pages manual kind of thing which contains in and out about that policy, and then a service handbook which probably helps you to choose the best policy that you have, around 60 pages. So before we move forward, I will also show you by adding one more file, that is this one, and it is basically a program booklet which again covers a lot of insurance policies that they have. So here we go, we'll browse it. I have it ready. I will select the PDF number 10 and quickly load it. So once you have done selecting all the PDF that you need, you can hit the submit button. It directly would be loaded into your files tab, and once you find it here, just hit the load documents. It will sync it. So that's how things happen. So while this is happening, let me tell you that if imagine the 9 PDF has some modifications in one of those pages, the name remains same but the PDF is tampered or modified, and you need those changes. So you can simply upload it here, submit it here, and it automatically analyzes that yes, this is an existing PDF, it is already chunked and ready, but there are some modifications, so it will only make changes and update its vector embeddings for those changes only. So it won't be reprocessing all the PDF that you have. Basically it syncs all the files that it has in the file tab. Okay, I hope that's clear. Again, 110 chunk for this PDF and skip 3 because they are unchanged, untouched. Okay, so let me show you a few demo questions. So I will walk you through a basic question that one would like to ask. So what are the life insurance policies that I have for veterans with service related disabilities? So there you go. It will quickly retrieve the relevant chunks from all the document it has, and there you go. It has named a few number of insurance policies that they have for offer, and that is go. And if you need something like a personalized recommendation or suggestion, it would further need a few more details that if you could answer, it would be much better. So there I'll proceed with another question which is very close to it. This imagine situation where you might have seen here 2 different policies. You might want to understand what is the major difference between them, because this is just showing you just an overview of that, right? So I can simply drop in this question, tell me the difference between VA life and HDVI policies. So it will quickly show you the differences. Also, as per the user preference, if you need it in a summarized format, you can mention it explicitly that yeah, I need it in a summarized format. If you need it in depth, you can say just tell me in detail as per your convenience, in a conversational manner that you would normally would talk to anyone or any agent in particular. So that is how it goes. It's given a bullet wise points. You can understand it clearly based on the criteria. It also shown the comparison based on that, and it also is a tabular format for easy, whichever you prefer, it will be getting it to you. And then let us cover a different type of use case. So imagine a specific case wherein a person like us would come into this portal and simply drop in a question like, I'm a 45-year-old veteran with a 60% service connected disability rating, right? So I have a specific case, so I need something, I need an insurance policy that has a coverage up to $40,000. That is particular, I need it for this case. So also I'm not used to with health examination, I need to real quick. So can you suggest me the best VA policy that I have? So those type of specific questions can also be addressed by these kind of rack systems. So there you go. It again considers all your specification that you mentioned, and based on that it gives you whichever is the best one. In this case it has shown that VA life is the best, most suitable one for you, and why it is, why it thinks, here's why. And then it also lets you know that these are the important considerations if you're going to take this as the policy that you want to like to go forward with. So you have to consider these points, and then what next you can do about it. can help out in and out about all the FAQs that you have. It can also help you about making a personalized choice, personalized decision based on which policy should be defined. Or probably if you already have a policy and you might be having some query with its covers or not, you can ask in and out everything about it. So let us ask maybe a different kind of thing. So a generic question that I might come to my mind is that, so how can I view my policies or update my beneficiaries online? So this is a generic question. So even if I ask such questions, it would be able to answer, given that yeah, there you go. So it has given you a link. Say that if you are heading over to this link, you can simply head over to this link, log in if you have your credentials in place, and then quickly make the changes or whatever you need, and your problem should be solved. So it actually guides you through that. So that is how this system can be very handy for anyone who is looking forward to a 24/7 concierge kind of a service. It acts as a policy agent assistant basically, and would help the customers navigate through it. Thank you.